Getting ready to fly soon? Whether you're heading off for a vacation, a business trip, or a family reunion, there are some flight secrets you should know before your next trip that can change the way you travel forever. These are tips and tricks frequent flyers and airline insiders know, but most travelers don't. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to fly smarter, save money, avoid frustration, and enjoy a more comfortable journey. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more valuable travel insights, airline tips, and destination guides you won't want to miss. Let's get started with the secrets that can completely upgrade your next flight experience. Number 1. Booking at the right time can save you hundreds. Timing is everything when it comes to airfare. Many people believe booking far in advance always guarantees the best deal, but that's not always true. For domestic flights, the optimal time to book is usually between 45 to 60 days before departure. For international travel, it's often best to book around 2 to 5 months in advance. Prices also fluctuate based on the day of the week. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are typically the best days to find cheap fares because airlines often release sales late Monday or early Tuesday. Avoid booking on weekends, especially Sundays when prices tend to be the highest. Airlines also use complex algorithms that track demand. If a route is popular, prices can go up in just hours. Using incognito mode or clearing cookies while searching can help avoid dynamic price hikes caused by repeated searches on the same route. Number 2. Early morning flights are less likely to be delayed. Flight delays are one of the biggest annoyances in air travel, but few people know that delays are far less common in the early hours of the day. Morning flights, particularly those before 9 a.m., have a much higher on-time performance rate. As the day goes on, delays start to stack up across airports due to weather, air traffic congestion, and technical issues. The later the flight, the greater the risk of it being delayed or even canceled. Choosing a morning departure also increases the chances of getting rebooked on another flight the same day if something does go wrong. Number 3. Use the 24-hour rule to rebook at lower prices. In many countries, especially in the US, airlines are required to allow passengers to cancel a flight for free within 24 hours of booking. As long as the flight is at least 7 days away, this is a golden opportunity for travelers. After booking a ticket, keep monitoring the price for a few more hours. If it drops, cancel the original ticket within that 24-hour window and rebook at the lower price. This simple trick can save a surprising amount of money, especially on international fares. Some flight booking platforms also allow price tracking and alert travelers if prices drop within that risk-free period. Number 4. Airline seats aren't randomly assigned, there's a strategy. When choosing a seat, most passengers focus only on window versus aisle. But there's more to it. The seats at the front of the aircraft often disembark first, which can be helpful if there's a tight connection. But rear seats, especially those near the galley, are often better for quicker drink service and may offer slightly more legroom in some aircraft layouts. Also, most people avoid the middle seat, making it the least desirable option. If traveling as a couple, booking the aisle and window in a 3-seat row may leave the middle seat empty, increasing comfort. If someone is assigned to the middle, swapping seats with a smile usually works. Sites like Seat Guru provide detailed maps of airplane seating layouts, including notes on which seats have limited recline, extra legroom, or are near noisy areas like bathrooms. Number 5. Hidden city ticketing can save money, but it comes with risks. Hidden city ticketing is a controversial but clever trick. It involves booking a flight where your actual destination is a layover, not the final stop. For example, if a ticket from New York to Denver via Chicago is cheaper than a direct flight to Chicago, a traveler might book the longer flight and simply get off in Chicago. However, this strategy comes with serious warnings. Airlines don't like it and have penalized passengers for abusing the system. It also only works for one-way trips and with carry-on luggage, since checked bags go to the final destination. While sites like Skiplagged specialize in these bookings, travelers should use this trick cautiously and understand the consequences. Number 6. Flight crews. Notice everything. Kindness pays off. Flight attendants and gate agents deal with hundreds of people every day. A little kindness goes a long way. Being respectful and friendly can often lead to better treatment, small upgrades, extra snacks, and more personalized service. It's not just about being polite, it's also about being noticed in a positive way. A thank you note, a compliment, or even a smile can make airline staff more willing to help in times of need, such as during delays or when trying to change seats. Many frequent flyers report that their best travel experiences happened simply because they treated crew members with genuine respect. Number 7. Always bring an empty water bottle and snacks. Airport prices are notoriously high, and staying hydrated is essential on flights, especially long ones. Most security checkpoints allow travelers to bring an empty water bottle, which can be filled after security at water stations or cafes. This avoids buying overpriced bottled water at the gate. Bringing healthy snacks like nuts, dried fruit, or protein bars is another important hack. Airlines often provide limited food options, especially in economy class. On shorter flights or budget airlines, snacks may not be available at all without paying extra. Having your own supplies can keep energy levels steady and help avoid unnecessary spending during travel. Number 8. Baggage rules can be tricky. Know the hidden fees. Checked baggage fees can quickly add up, especially on budget airlines or international routes. But there's often a loophole. Some international carriers allow a free checked bag, even in economy class. Checking baggage policies before booking can reveal significant differences between airlines on the same route. Weigh bags before leaving for the airport. Overweight bags can incur steep penalties, and some airlines even charge for carry-ons if they exceed size limits. Compression bags can help fit more into a suitcase without exceeding weight limits. Also, always label bags inside and outside with name and contact info in case they are lost. Number 9. Use airline apps for real-time updates and boarding passes. Most airlines have free mobile apps that offer real-time notifications about gate changes, delays, upgrades, and baggage claim locations. These apps are also useful for checking in early and downloading digital boarding passes, which saves time at the airport. Some apps even allow travelers to choose meals in advance, track loyalty points, or book future travel at discounted rates. For frequent travelers, having airline apps installed can reduce stress and make the experience more streamlined. Number 10. Avoid jet lag by adjusting your sleep before departure. Jet lag can ruin the first few days of a trip, especially after crossing multiple time zones. One powerful secret is to begin adjusting sleep patterns a few days before departure. For eastward travel, try going to bed earlier each night. For westward travel, staying up later can help. Also, staying hydrated, avoiding caffeine and alcohol during the flight, and trying to sleep on the plane if it's nighttime at the destination can all reduce the effects of jet lag. Using sleep aids like melatonin, blackout eye masks, or noise-canceling headphones can make resting on long-haul flights much easier. Exposure to natural light after landing is another critical factor. Getting sunlight in the morning helps reset the body's internal clock to the new time zone faster. These are just some of the many flight secrets you should know before your next trip that can completely transform the way you travel. Whether it's booking smarter, packing better, or making the journey more comfortable, each of these tips adds up to a more enjoyable experience in the sky. If this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More helpful travel guides, insider hacks, and destination tips are coming your way soon. Safe travels and see you in the next video.